2, 1, go!
As Autonomous kicks off, we've got 2 red robots looking to score their preload game pieces. They do so successfully. That's 6 points for Argos and going to be 4 points for their alliance partner Ironclad. We're also going to have 2 robots up on the charge stations as time counts down, but we do see Mechanical Monarchy in blue awfully close to that charge station at the end of Autonomous. Drivers now in control of the robots. We do see those Auton charge station scores indicated up on our live scoring. In the center of the field right away, we do see Mechanical Monarchy. They make their way all the way over to the Red Alliance community. They've got to be awfully careful, though, if they're going to be playing any defense near that red taped out line. Mechanical Monarchy does now choose to go into the loading zone, picking up a cube from a human player out of the substation. All 3 red robots in their community momentarily. Argos alongside Disruptive Innovation, both of them score, now head back to the loading zone. Argos grabs a cone from out of that loading zone. Their human player is creatively tossing them to the playing field floor, and Argos does not have any trouble with the orientation of those cones. The wrist on their manipulator lets them pick up from any orientation on the playing field floor. We see them rotate that arm now, grabbing that cone and bringing it back to their community. Quick work for 5 points for the Red Alliance. Facing off in blue, we see Control Z hanging out center field. Control Z currently with no game piece in their arm. They do have their arm lowered all the way down, and we see them rotating to play defense. Teams do need to be very careful about having extensions outside of their bumper while playing defense. They do not want to initiate any contact with that manipulator into the internals of an opposing robot. Ironclad and Control Z, a bit of a collision. Titan Robotics in blue trying to make their way around them. Titan also might be stuck playing some defense for the Blue Alliance. They typically are able to score, but a cone has fallen underneath their manipulator into the inside of their robot, laying on top of some of their electronics. Because of that, and because robots can only control 1 game piece at a time, Titan is unable to possess additional game pieces, so will not be contributing on the grids. They have, however, gotten up on the charge station. They'll want 10 points at the end of the match. Ironclad says the same for the Red Alliance, while Disruptive looks for a few more points. Disruptive drops off 2, Ironclad and Argos up for 10 points apiece. Over in blue, we see Titan and Control Z balanced out for 10 of their own, docked and engaged for the Red wins 124-74 in match 44. That keeps Argos in the #1 spot.